Welcome to our episode 3. So, by the way, thank you for tuning in, to those bago na mga subscriber and mga followers. Thank you so much. And then, our topic for today, for this episode 3, is about financial planning. No? So,
Yes.
can you define financial planning? Ano say, paano mo say?
Financial planning. Okay. So, in simple terms, mag-plan kasi yung mga financial. Kanang, daghan mga aspect na, one of which is budgeting sa mga future needs or current needs. So daghan. One good example that I can teach you guys about financial planning is the cash flow. Oo, cash flow. Okay, ang cash flow, it's cash in o cash out. So, musod na kwarta o mugawas ng kwarta. So, for example, if nakatrabaho, nakaisuldo, so ano cash in, naka-business cash in. Okay? Now, dihan na ma-determine kung if you are overshoot ka sa mga expenses or daghan mo income, nagamay rin yung expenses. So, pagsugod sa cash flow, you need to identify first, no? Kung sa'yo mga kanang current mo na expenses. Okay? Current, and then your future
plans.
Oo. So, for example, labi na sa mga naminaw karon, ikasweldo, I'm sure you can relate, tanaw din ka sa mga bayronon mo. Rent, or amortization, sakyanan ba, balay ba, mga basic needs. No?
Daily.
Nakayaya, bakayaya, eskwelahan. So, daghan ka, money ka ng cash out na kay cash in, kung pili na sold, cash out, kung sa imong mga gastuhan o imong future need. So that is, and then daghan na siya buhaton para makaplan ka sa imong finances. But number one yun is, you need to understand cash flow. Cash in and cash out.
I think karang cash flow, cash in, mo ba na idea ni Kon? Robert Kiyosaki ba na siya? No? Dapat siya idea ng cash and cash flow.
4 quadrants?
Oo, 4 quadrants.
Yes.
So basically, di ay, murag siya, like I've said, katuno, if na family planning, dapat na dyan ng financial planning, nakatas dapat kay. Mura bitog kuan daw, kanang, you're trying to build a house ba? Di ba? Imo bigid kwentahon kung pila may kinanglanon na ko nga sako sa bus, no? Pila akong kabilya, pila graba, dapat imo mo na kay unsay gusto sa imong balay. Mo bigid dapat budgetan nimo dapat, no? Hire pa ka kinsa pa hire pa ka architect, imong i-plan ba same without financial planning
ka? We need to have, if the longer or the taller the building, the deeper the foundation.
Kana sakto.
So kailangan kay bawo ka, no? Dili lang kay nagplano ka nga. For example, mag-trip, laag ni diri. Nya wa ka kay bawo sa itinerary. Di ba? Wa kay bawo sa gastuhan. Right? So you need to plan out the vacation, right? So like, you know how much is the fare, diba? Ang accommodation, pila accommodation, how much is the, for example, kung mag-daily, tour? Mag-tour mo. So, pila Oo, kaon pa. So, daghan kayo para you need to plan the vacation. So, same sa itong finances.
Say, for example, bitaw ka nang sa Camotes, ako lang insert ka nang vlogs Camotes, bitaw. Mato lang ko sa Camotes. Ano na ba ito yung mga cave?
Yeah.
Ma-add ba na, uwa mo rin, so kung budget yung mga
You're planning.
So, kung na siya, dapat i-plano tanan because, financial planning man good is, if naman sila istorya nga, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail.
Yeah. So, since mo ato ka Camotes, no? Okay, gikan mo dito. Ato man So, nagita lang cave. So, I think nag-same nga itong mga 2 days, but na-prepare ang itinerary, but wala gina mo na foresee ang pila din per person. Imagine, I think 15 megabuckato or less than 20. And then per person, 100 pesos a game. So that's 2,000 na. No? So, daghan ka tanawon. But, sa imong gingon nga, prepare ka sa finances.
When it comes to financial planning, asa makakadungog ano when ka nakaibawan ng financial planning?
When ko nakaibaw? When I was, I think, 23 years old. 23, 22. It was a Sun Life financial advisor.
Okay.
Yeah. Sa lain nga company, but again, we're in the same industry. But it's the first time I heard about financial planning. And then, at that age, dito ko na mulat bitaw, no? We need to pay ourselves first before others. Ano ba? Kay, kung mahutdan ka, isog kayo, kay pwede inana, karaga, nanana. So, you need to pay yourself first, especially during your retirement. Mag-prepare ka.
So, during that time, pag 23 ni mo, after na, is mo na itong time nag-financial advisor ka or?
No, I was not a financial advisor at that time.
So, you were presented lang by a financial advisor?
Oo. It's a group presentation.
Okay, so more like financial wellness seminar.
Financial wellness, and then together with my girlfriend before, your wife na, no? So tanaw mi bitong lang mo din. But at that age, yes, na ko understanding. But wala ko enough maturity ba to decide. Lano importante din no. So manang sayang to nga mga moments, but it's a good realization side for all single young professionals out there. Is somebody na ganahan mo share nimo o kanang about financial literacy, you need to be open. Okay, at the end of the day,
ikaram gyapon.
Yes.
Kayo. Kay just want to kuan lang pod. Actually, akong brother siya jud provide akong bigger idea bitaw about financial planning. Siya jud kuan na. During that time, I think may akong bata atoy kuan man mapoy pag-anak ba.
Okay.
So dito na ko realize nga I think I need man siguro gid nga ni financial planning, especially kasakang edad sa bata magkadako bidyo mga gastuhan. So
yes. Dito sa dako nakita ang inflation. Remember?
Inflation. Barbikihan mo tata, di ba? Gamay lang kayo. 1,000 to kapin or 500 ba to?
Nagkamay lang atong order pero almost 1,000 atong na-use
ng money. And then, kaning financial planning na sa ito, wala na part ba ni sa itong family to prepare, ingani, talk about, like sit down, gid bitaw?
Wala. Kuha na ba yan? Daghan ta may isuo. So, itong mga daghan isuo diha. So, na-feel yun sa inyong na-feel, no? Kanang dili yun, kanang in terms of finances, maglisod yun. No? Wala yun maka-sit down kay busy.
No.
Diba? Mo na, sometimes, kung kwarta gali, palit o appliances, inana. Murag inana siguro mentality before na kanang instead of making your money grow, no? Palit na appliances kay mao man ang mentality before, no? Makita ng silingan. Uy, nanalo bagong TV. So, ang notion is wala murag angat sila sa kinabuhi. So instead of inana on top, nag-sit down, how can we grow our money? Based sa book nga akong nabasa ni George Clason, The Richest Man in Babylon. Ingon niya, if you have a goal, okay, comment to sa una man daw itong story. If you have a goal, you need to make sure katong goal, mga naku copper, mga naku bronze. So mo grow, make use of the money that you have to earn more. Instead of ako na yung palit appliances, pwede naman na. Enjoy man ka kay plan sa kay sige na ka, invest nga, wala mo na-enjoy. So, balance ba? But you need to make sure na the money that you have or the goal that you have, manganak siya or safe or copper.
Kaya ang kuha lang po good, compare sa una man sad, ako na po nabantay yun is, ang source of information bitaw, wala kayo yung TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, asam to makapangita na. Karon ganina yung mga other, bisag, mga millennials nga wala idea, asa mo reach out regarding financial planning.
Kasi legit.
Kasi legit, ulon, nga na, ano, so, nga na, maupsan na ang source of information sa una. So, karon dagga naman jud kayo. So, to those nga nagkuan, if na gani mga reach out or something to open up, you know, you need to be open-minded, just like what Sean said. Okay, it's for you naman po.
Yes, correct. Na accessibility karon anywhere, no?
Yes.
Unlike before. Yes,
okay, kuan. And then, what are you doing right now with your family when it comes to finances?
Finances, priority, prior needs. Prior needs. Okay. And then, we need to grow. Kung sa inyo sold na money, sit down. This is what we're doing. Kagabi, include me, coffee, and then we'll think about saan ito pag-grow ano yung parta. Saan matong buhaton para mas mutako pa ni long last. Instead of, ay, ito Sikihor, sana Siargao. It's good experience family, but how can we grow this money? Parang kining atong mag-grow nga money mo magamit nato para sa vacation. Ano ba? So, mag-sit down with me sa akong wife. Then, we find ways, how can we earn more sa kwarta ng just like atong, I think there's a parable sa Bible nga katong tulo ka buok nga murag iyang mga trabahante ba to or slave nga gibilin na niya o something kwarta ba to or land ba to or unsa murag example lang kalimot ko sa full story but ganang thought ba nga each nga kuan kanang or katabang or slave kitagaan sila gi-entrustan sila og something, let's say 5 pesos or 1 peso or 1 million. So each kitagaan ang usa iya ra gi butang ra sila sa yuta
yang lubong
yang lubong ang ikaduha kay iya sang gipalago no ang ikatulo grabe gipalago kay maayo wala niya gibutang. So pagbalik sa katong ilang amo gipa-present tanan uy katong third na gitagaan nga nila uy nindot lagi mong ibuhat gipalambo ni maayo so daghan ang kwarta. Second, okay, good kay daghan ang atong pinakauna nga gitagaan same ra gyapon iyang gilubong wa na gi-grow. So ang relation no or ang thought is you need to grow what you have. Dili lang monetary. You need to grow your skills. You need to maximize kung unsay resources na nimo karon. Let's say healthy ka, maximize yourself nga mas mo grow not only income but imong health. Exercise pa ka, so always have the growth mindset. Okay.
Muna kay financial management. Just like you said, if tagaan nga nimong kwarta ang tao kato 1 million, if he doesn't know how to manage money, wala jud. Natin si mahurot or katog lubong niya. Kasi ba unsay mga kuan good, unsay mga resources nga iyang ma-maximize ng kwarta niya.
That's why I'm not sure if you watch sa US money nga video or what the mga millionaires. No? From rags to riches, mga millionaires nga one day millionaire pagkaugma wala man sila idea about financial planning.
Okay.
Diba? So, paano na paghuman mga pila ka kuan wala na wala man nila gipatubo kaya kwarta sila hala gasto na deprive sila sa ilang ganahan hala gasto pero katong mga wise kaayo nga naman sa ko'y nakita nga nakadaog siya. I think he's from Texas. Daw siya og one.
Loto or sa?
Loto. Basta million. And then iyang gibuhat is iyang invest. Wala siya ni duwa og loto balik.
Yan lang gikuan.
Balik siya mga rental properties, invest niya, business, mo na iyang gi-grow.
Wise siya, wise.
It's really successful right now. So hopefully kita inana sa datong
mindset, no?
Mo grow pag-grow na to atong mind.
Na kuan since about financial planning, unsa may mga ika-advise sa mga single, especially mga 20s, nga nga mga age.
20s, young professionals. Normally, gagmay pa na sila sweldo.
Sakto lang dyan.
Sakto lang dyan, no? Pag-date. Pag-sweldo, pag-date. But again, my piece of advice for that is at least, diba, every 15 days mag-sweldo. Get at least 10% out of your
salary.
10% goes to save lang mo. Okay? Pwede ba na insurance ba? Kung kag-insurance as early as possible, top priority because you're still healthy and young, no? Dako imong coverage, gamay mong premium or imong bayaran, no? And then another 10% enjoy sa yourself. You can graduate.
Bitaw. Eskwela ka 4 years, 5 years.
Eskwela ka 4 years, mo ka sweldo. Ikaw pa ni bayad sa eskwelahan. No? But you need to get the 10% for, again, pay yourself first. 10% savings or for your insurances, 10% is for yourself to enjoy because you are the money-making machine. Enjoy ka, malipay ka, mas strive pag ka. No, imagine na, okay, mapailot ko. Ikaw ba sa story sa golden egg o ang goose, no? Kita ba yung goose? Kita ba yung makikilawag o kuan, di ba, money? So, 10% goes to your fund, and then kanang 80% sa imong mga daily expenditure. Gamay pa mga ang sweldo of 10,000. I think, how much was your first salary?
First salary, I think that was 14? 15? Imagine na, gamay pa kayo na, no?
14 minus
7K.
7K. No? Inana.
So, ang usa lang pod is practice yun ang kuan, kanin delayed instant gratification ba?
Yes.
Mga mo nang nakuan god. YOLO mentality, bitaw. Nga, ay, mamuto trabaho ko para mag-enjoy. Okay mo na, but I think you also must kuan ba, kanang set aside pod for your future ba, no? Mayon ka, dugay mo sa na retirement. Pati kung retire ka og magalit, no, kay nabiyay siya na premature retirement, di ba? So yan na, YOLO mentality dapat imog niyo nang or tangtangon gana sa imong mentality na
okay ra na, you need to enjoy the money that you have. But again, inside of you is an old person na matiguang gyud puhon. So learn it from those people who are ahead of you ba. You need to prepare, no? Kay puhon matiguang sad ka. I can still remember my brother, si Manay, nasa abroad na, kaya siya na, kailangan ka mag-prepare yan sa imong pagmaon, imong future. I think 23, 24. Basta, paitan ko nag-spatos na to that time, na you need to prepare. Okay, para na po, ninyo na, nananak. So, at least, nabot na ng time, naka-prepare na. So you need to prepare for that. So from that advice from my brother, so nakakuan sa kubitaw, no? Pag-abot na nako karon na situation. So for the young professionals out there, again, change the mentality of YOLO. You need to enjoy it, of course, but you also need to prepare for the future.
Yes.
Regardless kung nako yung suldo or sa di kay
hindi naman dyan na.
No?
And also, kanabitang lifestyle pod, no? Let's say, for example, when it comes to corporate mga deadline, sweldo, no? Let's say, for example, mo ang lifestyle, ni-adapt ka sa mo ang which is higher level sa mo, let's say, nagsweldo sa 30. Ikaw, 15, dito ka dapat mo-adapt yun. Kaya liman ka half ragod sa mo ang salary is, So if adapt jud ka lisod, ikay magkalisod jud. Kasi sa money wise lang. And then also, what I can advise sabi lang ka ng mga starter pa is kuan jud, don't play safe sad. Dili lang pod sige lang kag kuan sana dapat na pod ang calculated risk ba. Like invest ka nga na if dili mo kuan kana pong investment nga legit ha. Ayan ang legit kanang investment nga kanang 10 mil may mong 20 mil yan.
In a
span of one day or 1 month. You don't have to play safe po. Dapat na po kay at least risk factor ba? Kaya if bata pa man good, taas po time, especially ako, 20s pa, 27. Napay time ba? Taas pang time. Kaya kung dili ra ka mag-risk 50, hapit na mo kung retire, hindi na lang kung mag-risk pa ni. So karon, while you're still at 20s, 30s, explore. If mo fail, okay, mayo, learn from it. Nga na.
But ako siya i-recommend that I will also attach siguro or just put on your email address. I can share an ebook. Gamit yung kay ni The Richest Man in Babylon from George Clayson. It's about finances. And then kaya mga financial gurus karon, they learned it from Mr. George Clayson. So kindly put your email address and I can send a free audiobook for you guys. Learn, maximize the resources that you have. Watch YouTube about finances, read books, and again.
And then the other thing is, what's your advice to the married couple about financial planning? Sa may mga advice na yun.
Yeah, for couples, the reason why ganun giminyo mo sa Ginoo is you are in one flesh na. Okay. So prioritize the needs of the family first before you go outside.
Yes.
Okay. So, sit down. You need to spare time. Okay. It can also be a date. Sa imong partner, imong asawa, imong husband na kamura, walay kids. Then sit down mo. What will be our future? What will be our plans? Because kamura mo duha magpuyo.
Yes.
Diba? And then if you plan together, mas nasa idea mo ha. And then if your idea is not that good, she can probably advise you. And then
teamwork, yes.
Yes. So muna, have a spare time with your spouse and then plan together. And have an open mind. Ipaubos yung pride. Ano mo ka na mas kabaw ko ani na no. Should be same level na. Ang goal ninyo is for the betterment of your family.
Especially on finances, no?
Yes.
Till death do sa part dili death nga kanang utang.
Dili death na DEBT. Pero ang death na kamatay. Yes.
And then, sorry, is there anything else nga imong i-adapt or about the financial planning?
Financial planning is, it's easy if you face it. Dili mo unya-unya mo.
Oo, no?
Oo. Okay, once imo siyang unya-unya mo pile up siya. Why? Sakay mo edad.
Bitaw.
Mo daghan mo mga gastuhan.
Like ang fear na mag-una nimo.
Kung bata pa ka, bago pa ka nung magtrabaho, of course, magsugod na ka. Unlike nga, ikatrabaho, diha na. Avoid it, guys, mentality, labi na if you're young professional, ay bata pa ko.
Kana. Medyo nakasagaran, no?
We've been there, done that.
Naku, nadunggan nga, when it comes to insurance, bitawan ko, niya ako, mag-start na ako, magtiguang na. Magtiguang na, di aron siya makakuan na. So, ang tendency is, yung katiguang na mo, wala na. Labi na kayo mga maintenance and all, or pre-existing condition, yung tendency ba yan, dyan na ma-approvean.
Yes. Okay, so, yeah, I think that will be it for our episode 3 about financial planning. Again, guys, don't forget to put your email, and please do like and subscribe our channel. If you think that we put value ba, nakahatag ni maayong advice sa inyo ha, And yeah, I think that would be.
And then if you also wanted to open up or unsa yung gustong topic na mo, you can comment down below so that we can discuss about it, and then maybe in the future episodes na mo siyang discuss.
Alright. Thank you for watching,
Thank you.
Guys.
Bye-bye.